In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surfshark with some simple and quick guidance. Whether you're a beginner or just need a little refresher, this guide will help you navigate through the basic setup to ensure you're all set for secure browsing. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First things first, you want to head over to the Surfshark app. If you haven't already, you can download it from the Surfshark website or your device's app store. Once you're there, simply click the download button that corresponds to your operating system. This part is quite straightforward, but ensure you have enough space on your device and a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Next up is installing the app. Upon downloading, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. For most devices, you simply double-click the file and follow the on-screen prompts. It's usually just a matter of clicking Next a few times. Remember to read through the terms and conditions before agreeing. Installation doesn't take too long. Just give it a few moments and you should be set to launch the app. Once the installation is complete, launch the app and proceed to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. For those who haven't registered yet, there's an option to create an account directly from the login screen. Make sure to use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the app's dashboard. It's quite user-friendly, which makes navigation a breeze, even if you're not tech-savvy. The next step involves connecting to a VPN server. From the dashboard, you'll see a clear option to connect. Surfshark has a feature called Quick Connect that automatically connects you to the fastest server available, based on your location. It's a convenient feature if you're looking to get started with minimal fuss. Alternatively, you can choose a specific server from the list if you have particular preferences or needs, such as accessing content from a specific country. Finally, we have customizing settings. This step is optional but highly recommended to optimize your experience. In the Settings menu, you'll find options to enable features like the kill switch, which disconnects your internet in the rare case the VPN connection drops. This feature is essential if you're particularly concerned about security. You can also toggle between different encryption protocols depending on your needs, though the default settings are generally sufficient for everyday use. And there you have it. You're all set with Surfshark. By now, you're ready to surf the web securely and privately. Regularly checking for updates to the app will ensure it runs smoothly and effectively. Thanks for tuning in to this guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy browsing!